a good boy. Hey guys, still raining over here in East Tennessee. I'm up on top of my ridge now. You can see behind me, and this is where we're going to be building our new modern farmhouse, the Four Gables, which is a Southern living design, and we're excited about it. We're hoping, this rain doesn't last as long this spring as it did last spring, because we're really wanting to break ground soon and get this build going. And I've got Donovan up here with me too. As long as I'm out with him, he doesn't care one bit to play in the rain. He's a good boy. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. What is it, D? I don't know why he keeps coming back to this spot next to my brush mower. That's where he wants to chew up these sticks I'm throwing for him.